I'm back again, and today in this video I wanted to go over the sources that we have available to help us learn how to code. So starting with, we have what I think is one of the mainstream ones that pops up first is codecademy.com. It's where I started when I literally had no clue of what to learn, so it could be a little bit of a path to help you figure out what you would want to do. So first they have the intensive programs, which costs you money, and it's a longer time to complete it. But they also have the free courses down here. They have HTML, CSS, JavaScript. For the front end web design, they have Python, make a website. Those are little courses to go over what you can use, other courses you've learned and add them together to use them to learn another course. So for instance, for HTML and CSS, fundamentals as you build a website in this introductory course. I have learning how to design Alexa, Java, React, JS, jQuery, which are, I believe, libraries you can use when you go use JavaScript. They have learn responsive design. Responsive design is basically what you do on a website to make it look presentable on each mobile device. So if you go to it on an iPhone, it'll be scaled down to look perfect on an iPhone screen. Same with tablets, Androids, and all that. Then you have deploy a website, which can teach you how to, make a website available to the public after you're done building it. Express, Ruby, Ruby on Rails, and all that. And there's more on here you can explore, which is www.codecademy.com. The next one, and one of my favorites, is freecodecamp.org. So they don't charge you money for theirs, and they have a whole lot that you can learn. Basically, take a track with what you can learn on here. They got the front end development certification, is CSS, JavaScript, HTML, and all of that right here. They take you through some libraries you can use. Basically, a majority of the stuff you would need for front end is all available here. They have back-end development, data visualization, Git, MongoDB, application, interfaces, APIs, dynamic web applications projects, video challenges. Basically, there's a lot here for starters to learn, and then when you get into it and start learning more, you can get into the more of it, which I haven't gotten to, obviously. So that's freecodecamp.org. Then on to another one that you can start with a free trial, but it does cost money, is teamtreehouse.com. These are one of the good ones that you can follow along with. They have videos, and then they have quizzes at the end that you can follow, that you can answer to make sure that you've learned and not just watched the video. And I believe after the free trial, it's $25 a month, I believe. But they have so many courses with so many hours that you can put into it. You have JavaScript, WordPress, digital literacy, web design tracks, Java development tracks. Basically, the tracks are teaching you everything, or the majority of the stuff in the tracks that you would all use together to get there. That's that. You have Ruby, Ruby on Rails, a front-end web development track, which is the one that I went down. Still don't think I've finished it yet. They have C#, PHP, Android development for applications and other stuff. ASP.NET, which I have no idea. Object-oriented PHP, beginning PHP. Learn how to make virtual reality games, HTML, JavaScript, Java, intermediate Java. There are a lot of options here to begin learning as well. And this is teamtreehouse.com. Then my favorite is udemy.com, udemy.com. What they have are people can upload their courses and people can buy them. They're usually really high, but most of them are usually on a discount. You can get them $12.99, which for all the information that you learn from these really is not bad at all. And they have different ones for web development, mobile apps, programming languages. So you can go in here and pick which one you want. And for, say, JavaScript, you could go in here and see all the courses that people have made available that you can learn from. Some of them are free, but not all of them. And again, that's udemy.com. Then one of my favorites from one of the developers I found on YouTube, his name is Stefan Mischuk, and he is the creator of StudioWeb.com. This is one of the ones I found when I first started, and I bought his courses. I believe it's $30, I think. Yeah, you can contact them to see the pricing. When I bought it, it was $30. But the courses that they have beginners HTML, beginner CSS, HTML5 and CSS3. The 5 and the 3 at the end of them, just make sure that they're current with the current practices of CSS and HTML. Then JavaScript. Then they go into Python, PHP, and MySQL, which PHP and MySQL are back-end web development languages. Then the mini projects. But to get started is definitely not a bad place to start. That's where I started. And then my favorite that I used firstly was youtube.com. And over at YouTube, they have countless videos that you can view for free with all of the information you could use. So there are some paid ones, but there are definitely a lot of free lessons you can take. So I'm hoping that this helps and that these are a few a few sources you can use if you wanted to learn how to program as well. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.